Good day guys, welcome. In this video I'm showing you how to turn off joins in Roblox. So pretty much what this means, if you're not looking to play with random people that you don't know, for example, or you want to restrict yourself, for example, to playing with your friends only, you can do this. So firstly guys, navigate to the upper right corner, press on this button, and go to settings. From here guys, it's very simple. You just need to go to privacy and content restrictions. Now guys, you go to visibility and private service, then you go visibility, and as you can see in here we have our privacy settings, we have the online status and show current experience. So as you can see, who can see your current experience and join you. So you can just turn it off. For that, press on no one, or if you want to restrict it, for example, connections and people I follow, or connections, you can choose either as well. But if you want to just completely turn them off, press on no one. And from this moment on, no one will be able to join your experiences that you're playing. Enjoy guys, if this helped you out, press like on the video and subscribe. See you in the next one guys.